Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Some teacher and other people who work at the Nyuuz High School in a St. Catherine, they stop work and a cost yesterday morning. The people them in a Bad St. Thomas say them happy say the police catch Davy and Brian, who them did a look for take with two girls in October last year. The Department for Correctional Services DCS said them go start back non-contact visit in the prison them Monday. The Reggae Boys draw 1-1 with El Salvador yesterday in the CONCACAF World Cup qualifier at the National Stadium. Now for the full tour of them. Some teacher and other people who work at the Nyuuz High School in a St. Catherine, they stop work and a cost yesterday morning because them said the school no pay over money to the government in the National Housing Trust NHT tax. Them said the NHT tax them get take out of them pay every month and this a go on from 2012. One of the teacher them Oret Small say notice some difference to the money where them forget back from the NHT when them look on what the bursary take out of them pay. Him say when them ask the people them who run the school wagwan, them a give them the run around. The people them in a Bad St. Thomas say them happy say the police catch Davy and Brian, who them did a look for take with two girls in October last year. The police catch Mr. Brian Wednesday night in the Durham community in Portland. Superintendent Kenneth Chin, or the commanding officer for Portland Police, said them catch him sometime after 9. Superintendent Chin said Brian did want it for rape people and for have gun where him not have no license for. The Department for Correctional Services DCS said them go start back non-contact visit in the prison them Monday. This come after the government said them done with certain things under the Disaster Risk Management Act. The DCS did stop the visit them in 2020 for stop the spread of the COVID-19 in the prison. But the DCS said them still are going to follow the COVID-19 rules, although the amount of people who have the virus are go down in the country. Gunman shot and killed one pregnant woman and one man in a Negril Monday night. The dead people them are 24 years old Taysin Copeland and Dwayne Robinson. According to the police report, the man and the woman did go home on one bike sometime after 11 when gunman shot them up. The bike crashed in one shop. Moreland Wilson, or the member of parliament for Westmoreland West, say him beg the people them for tell the police what them know for cut down the crime problem in the parish. The Area 1 police are looking at the killing of one businessman in Hanover Wednesday evening. The businessman did damn liquor store when two men come in and shot him up. Him dead at hospital. Now for sports. The Reggae Boys draw 1-1 with El Salvador yesterday in the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers at the National Stadium. Enrique Zavaleta scored for El Salvador in the 21st minute and Andre Gray scored back for Jamaica in the 72nd minute. The Reggae Boys are going to play Canada Sunday at the BMO Field in Toronto. My name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.